Hey, good day legends, welcome back to channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I fix this cylinder head gasket. This is the cylinder head gasket kit I bought. So, as I told you in last video, I had 3 ways to do this repair. So I decided to put new valve stem seals in and fix back cylinder head with new gasket. I got my wife's hands to put valve oil seals in. I cleaned cylinder head surface. And cylinder block surface as well. I bought pack of new cylinder head bolts. Okay, now time to put cylinder head back. I put cylinder head gasket first. I put some silicone around the O-ring. Put silicone behind the front cover as well. Then put on the cylinder head back. Trying to put it into dowel pins. Okay, I put this thing in now. I put fresh cylinder head bolts and applied fresh engine oil on the bolts threads. Then I tightened cylinder head bolts. Andy followed manufacturer specifications. I adjusted my torque wrench to that settings. Then tighten them correct odor. Second step is tight cylinder head bolts with angle torque gauge. I adjusted it into 0 position and tightened them to 75 degrees. Then I put the camshaft in and installed cam bearing caps. Tighten them up. When I removed all bolts, I put them into separate packets and written down names and locations. It's pretty easy to find correct bolts now. Now it's time to fix back camshaft sprockets. I fixed exhaust manifold with new gasket. I put Camshaft sprocket wheels and tightened them torque specs. And put timing chain back. And sorry guys, I forgot to record that. But I supplied here timing chain diagram and all torque informations. Hope they will be useful to you. I put new rocker cover gasket and put it back. I put spark plugs and ignition coils. And plug the wire harness back. L put all other brackets and removed stuff back. And put fresh engine oil and coolant. And it's ready to start.